Tableware. In this lesson, we will be looking at storing tableware safely and the tableware count. Let's begin with storing tableware safely. Think of all the different items you can find on a table. Knives, forks, spoons, cups, saucers, teapots, plates, and bowls. There is a lot of different tableware. These items come into direct contact with the guest in the dining room, so it is very important that they are hygienically cleaned and stored. Because you know how to clean tableware effectively, you can focus on how to store it properly. First of all, make sure that the storage area is clean, dust and dirt free, and that the shelving is sturdy. Next, make sure that there are labeled areas dedicated to storing specific pieces of equipment. Cutlery must be stored separately from other equipment, and ensure that the different pieces are stored in marked containers, such as tablespoons, teaspoons, and soup spoons. It would be terrible if during a busy breakfast a service colleague couldn't find a teaspoon for a guest's coffee. It would put the guest in an awkward position, and they will be unhappy with the level of service. For the same reason, make sure that the other tableware is stored in designated separate areas. Many pieces of tableware are delicate and must not be piled haphazardly because they can be broken or chipped easily. Think of how you separated all the tableware when you washed it in the ware-washing machine. The same approach must be taken for storing tableware. Finally, let's look at the tableware count. Because tableware is made of delicate materials, it can break and chip very easily. It is very important that your establishment provides a breakages sheet that details what was broken and when it happened. Next to the sheet, there must be a breakages bin, so that chipped plates are thrown away immediately and do not get washed and rotated with the other plates, or thrown into normal bins. At the end of the month, when stocktake is going to take place, this breakages sheet can be worked in, so the inventory or tableware count is quick and simple. The use of the breakages sheet and the monthly tableware count is also very important because it shows what else is missing. It can show if there has been stealing, high amounts of breakages and loss, or if the preparation, service, and cleaning in a kitchen is going smoothly and efficiently. Make sure that you update your inventory every month so that you are confident that you have enough stock, or if your establishment is running low, and you will have to order more tableware. This gives you complete control of your department. If your goods are stored neatly and cleanly, checking your inventory will be a piece of cake. So, we can see that the two go hand in hand when it comes to working successfully, efficiently, and safely. Well done on completing this lesson on the safe storage and inventory of tableware.